Skidmar95 here, bringing you another episode. Today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Omisego here. Currently have about 1.5%, sitting at $3.55. But we're looking at the BTC value down about 1% for the day, sitting at 53,000 satoshis. But really quick, before we start this video, let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Market cap sitting at 222 billion. Today's volume is 17 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 52%. BTC up about 2% for the day, sitting slightly below 6.7. Ethereum up 3.5, sitting slightly above 225. Ripple up 1.5, sitting at 53. Bitcoin Cash down about 3, still sitting below 550. EOS up about 420, sitting at 586. Lumen's up about half, sitting at 25. Not much has changed for Litecoin, still slightly below 62. Cardano still hanging in at a slightly below 8.5. Monero back up above 115. Dash slowly making its way back up to 200. IOTA back up above 55. Tron almost back to 2.5. NEOS almost back to $20. Hopefully it stays under $20 for a little bit longer. Big winners today: Eternal token up 45, gas up about 40, and Electronium up about 29. Golem shortly followed with 11%, and Populous up almost 11 as well. Big losers: Steam down about 5, Aurora down about 4, and Bitcoin Cash down about 3. You folks came here for some Omisego. Market cap sitting at 497 million. Today's volume is 60 million. Circulating supply 140 million. Major exchanges: Bitmart, Bithumb, Huobi, ETH, Binance, and Bittrex looks like other major exchanges. First things first, BTC to USD on the daily. We do have a major resistance here at about 6.7. If we get a daily break and close above this level, folks, expect a huge push towards the upside, possibly towards 7,300. However, if we get rejected at this level, it's going to be pretty ugly. Probably going to be dropping from 6.7 all the way down to about 6,000. Let's go ahead and shift over to our 4-hour really quick. Waiting for that 4-hour break and close, folks, above 6,750. Once we get that 4-hour break and close above 6,750, should see a nice push. However, we did get a nice little bearish engulfing here inside our major resistance, so do expect this to come back down possibly to 6.4, 6.3. Remember, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Shifting over to Ethereum to USD on the daily, same thing here. If we get rejected at this level at 230, 235, do expect this to continue to sell off towards about 170, if not maybe 150. Shifting over to our 4-hour. Waiting for that 4-hour break and close, folks, above 229. Once we get that 4-hour break and close above 229, we should see a nice push towards the upside. However, if rejected at this level, do expect this to possibly form a double bottom here at about 160. That's one of the plays I'm looking out for. Litecoin to USD, same thing. Waiting for that 4-hour break and close above $63. Once we get that break and close above $63, should see a nice push from 63 all the way up to about 75. However, if rejected at this level, do expect this to sell off towards about $48, $45 per Litecoin. But you folks came here for some Omisego to BTC. We're looking at the weekly, pretty straightforward. Been in a nice major downtrend since all-time highs. We did find support here at about 50,000, and that's where we're currently at right now. We do see a couple of wicks here on the weekly, so we're starting to get some exhaustion. Momentum still in favor of the bears on the weekly. Shifting over to the daily, however, we do have something a little bit more interesting. Nice little inverse head and shoulders here on the daily. Looks like we've actually came back down to test for support here at about 52,000. If we shift over to our 4-hour, however, I think we'll be able to get an entry. Get a better look at our inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder 1, this is the head. Shoulder 2. I'll probably be taking a small buy here at about 50,000 satoshis, and then I'll be waiting for that 4-hour break and close above 54,700. Once we get that 4-hour break and close above 54,700, we should see a nice push towards the upside, possibly up to about 66,000, if not 70,000. But that's after we get that 4-hour break and close above this level. You could take a small position here. It does look like we'll be getting a higher low at this level, but I'm waiting for that 4-hour break and close. Where do I see this coin going in 2018? Currently sitting at about 50,000 satoshis. I think this coin could easily come up to 100,000 by the end of 2018, if not early 2019. But remember, just my personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote. Keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.